तो फिर तुमने क्या सोचा? सो देन व्हाट डिड यू थिंक? सो देन व्हाट डिड यू थिंक? चुप रहने का क्या लोगे? व्हाट विल यू टेक टू कीप क्वाइट? व्हाट विल यू टेक टू कीप क्वाइट? मैं मकड़ी के जाले हटा रही हूँ. आई एम removing the spider webs. I'm removing the spider webs. आइंदा ऐसा नहीं होगा. As of now it will not happen. As of now it will not happen. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. No one will be worse than me. No one will be worse than me. तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है. Your head is full of kelp. Your head is full of kelp. मुझे तुम्हारी यही बात पसंद नहीं है. This is what I don't like about you. This is what I don't like about you. बर्दाश्त की भी एक हद होती है. There is a limit to tolerate. There is a limit to tolerate. सारी मुसीबतों की जड़ तुम हो. You are the root cause of all the troubles. You are the root cause of all the troubles. तुम इतना सज कर कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going? That up. Where are you going? That up. जिस पर बीतती है उसी को पता होता है. The one who suffers only that person knows. The one who suffers only that person knows. जले पर नमक मत छिड़को. Don't add insult to injury. Don't add insult to injury. मुझे तुम्हारी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. I'm not getting your voice. I'm not getting your voice. वह अचानक पता नहीं कहाँ से टपक पड़ा. He suddenly popped up out of nowhere. He suddenly popped up out of nowhere. उसके दिमाग का पेच ढीला है. He has a loose screw in his mind. He has a loose screw in his mind. जल्दी करो नहीं तो हमारी फ्लाइट छूट जाएगी. Hurry up or we'll miss the flight. Hurry up or we'll miss the flight. यहाँ से जाने का क्या लोगे? What will you take to go from here? What will you take to go from here? तो फिर अपना मुंह बंद रखो. So then keep your mouth shut. So then keep your mouth shut. ऐसे तो तुम कभी नहीं जीतोगे. This way you will never win. This way you will never win. मेरा उससे बात करने का मन नहीं करता. I don't feel like talking to him. I don't feel like talking to him. मुझे तुम्हारा कच्चा चिट्ठा पता है. I know your ins and outs. I know your ins and outs. मेरे सारे सपने चकनाचूर हो गए. My all dreams are shattered. My all dreams are shattered. मेरा इसमें कोई हाथ नहीं है. I have no involvement in this. I have no involvement in this. हम में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. We are poles apart. We are poles apart. मैं तुम्हें कच्चा खा जाऊंगा. I'll eat you raw. I'll eat you raw. वह आपके बारे में पूछताछ कर रही थी. She was inquiring about you. She was inquiring about you. मैं उसे समय बर्बाद नहीं करने देता. I don't let him waste the time. I don't let him waste the time. अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो मुझे पैसे मांग लेना. Ask me for money if needed. Ask me for money if needed. हर चीज़ की हद होती है. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. मुझे मालूम है कि वो कहाँ रहती है. I know that where she lives. I know that where she lives. मेरी बहन ने खाना नहीं बनाया. My sis didn't cook food. My sis did not cook food. मैं इससे ज़्यादा और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything more than this. I can't do anything more than this. मैंने तुम्हारे साथ आकर गलती की. I made a mistake by coming with you. I made a mistake by coming with you. यहाँ दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं. People come here from far and wide. People come here from far and wide. मैं सब्जी लेने जा रहा हूँ. I'm gonna bring the vegetables. I'm gonna bring the vegetables. अपनी राय अपने पास रखो. Keep your advice to yourself. Keep your advice to yourself. तुमसे तो बात करना ही बेकार है. It's useless to talk to you. It's useless to talk to you. बस मेरी ज़िंदगी से चले जाओ. Just go away from my life. Just go away from my life. गलती तुम्हारी है ना कि मेरी. The fault is yours, not mine. The fault is yours, not mine. लड़ने की वजह मत ढूंढो. Don't find the reason of fighting. Don't find the reason of fighting. इसमें चिल्लाने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to shout? What's there to shout? उसे पैसों की दिक्कत है. He has financial problems. He has financial problems. प्लीज़ मेरी मजबूरी को समझो. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड माई कंपल्शन. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड माई कंपल्शन. मुझे लगा था तुम आओगे नहीं. I thought you wouldn't come. I thought you wouldn't come. उसका भाई हमेशा मुझे चिढ़ाता है. His brother always irritates me. His brother always irritates me. तुम उसकी तरह लालची मत बनो. Don't be greedy like him. Don't be greedy like him. मेरे काम में तुम क्यों दखल देते हो? Why do you interfere in my work? Why do you interfere in my work? जल्दी करो, ऐसा ना हो कि हमें देर हो जाए. Hurry up, lest we be late. Hurry up, lest we be late. क्या मैं आपका थोड़ा सा समय ले सकता हूँ? Could you spare a few moments for me? Could you spare a few moments for me? तुम हमेशा से मेरे एक अच्छे दोस्त रहे हो. You have always been a good friend to me. You have always been a good friend to me. तुमने ज़रूर कुछ गलत सुना होगा. You must have heard something wrong. You must have heard something wrong. तुम्हारा ध्यान रखने वाला कोई नहीं है. Nobody is there to care for you. Nobody is there to care for you. वह तुम्हारी मम्मी की उम्र की है. She is old enough to be your mom. She is old enough to be your mom. घर में कुछ मेहमान आए हुए हैं. Some guests have come home. Some guests have come home. लोगों की बातों पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention what people say. Don't pay attention what people say. हर कोई सोचता है YouTube पर काम करना आसान है. Everyone thinks working on YouTube is a breeze. Everyone think working on YouTube is a breeze. बस बहुत हुआ, अब तुम मार खाओगे. Enough is enough, you will be beaten now. Enough is enough, you will be beaten now. उसे भूलना मेरे लिए आसान नहीं है. It's not easy for me to forget her. It's not easy for me to forget her. आपकी अच्छी सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद. Thanks for your valuable advice. Thanks for your valuable advice. तुमने ये पूछकर बड़ी गलती कर दी. You made a blunder asking it. You made a blunder asking it. तुम दुकानदार के झांसे में आ गए. You got duped by shopkeeper. You got duped by shopkeeper. इसमें बुरा मानने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to be sad about? What's there to be sad about?